In this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete a page in a PDF file. So here's my PDF file. You can see I've just downloaded it from the internet, but let's just pretend that it's my PDF. And for the sake of the video, I'll just remove the contents page. So here's how you need to do that. So go ahead and open up a web browser. Once you've got that open, type in small PDF and then click enter, and we're going to head to the small PDF website. From here you can go ahead and click on edit, which is going to be on their menu bar, and here this will take you to their PDF editor, and from here just click choose files, and then obviously choose your file throughout the file explorer. Once you've then uploaded your file, you can then go ahead and just delete pages if that's all you wanted to do. So just go ahead and hover over the page. So I'll just delete the contents, and I'll delete this second contents as well. Now I'm happy with that and I've deleted the relevant pages. We can go ahead and click export, download PDF, and it will then download that edited PDF to my computer. So now if we go ahead and open this, you can see that the contents page has gone. So that's how to do it. I hope that quick video helped you out.